Now I am going to discuss a question based on the concept of upstream and downstream. Suppose we are given a question, a boat goes upstream from one point to another in 9 hours and the same distance is upstream in 10 hours. That means if a boat is going downstream, it takes 9 hours to cover a particular distance and the same distance is covered in 10 hours when it goes upstream. And we are given that the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour and we are supposed to find the speed of boat in still water. So we'll assume the speed of boat. Let the speed of boat in still water equal to x kilometers per hour. Now speed of stream is 1 kilometer per hour. So speed upstream is equal to x minus 1 kilometer per hour because the river is flowing in the downward direction and we are going in the upward. So the speed upstream will be x minus 1 kilometer and speed downstream will be x plus 1 kilometer per hour. Now, as we are given the number of hours that the boat is taking and we'll find the distance, that means now the formula is speed is equal to distance upon time. So we can say that distance is equal to speed into time. Or now using this formula, then distance upstream is equal to, as the speed upstream is x minus 1 and the time is time upstream is 10 hours, it will be x minus 1 into 10 hours and distance downstream is equal to x plus 1 into 9. Now we have found that the distance travelled in the upstream is x minus 1 into 10 and the distance downstream is x plus 1 into 9, and according to question we are given that the same distance is travelled. So we can say x minus 1 into 10 is equal to x plus 1 into 9, or we can say 10x minus 10 is equal to 9x plus 9, or 10x minus 9x is equal to 9 plus 10, or x is equal to 19 kilometers per hour. So this is how we can calculate the speed of the boat in the still water. To sum up, I would like to discuss it again. That means we are given the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour, and let us assume that the speed of the boat in still water is x kilometers per hour. Then speed upstream will be x minus 1 kilometer per hour and speed downstream will be x plus 1 kilometer per hour. Speed is equal to, and we know that the speed is equal to distance upon time, as we have been given the time and we know the speed. So we can calculate distance. The formula for distance will be speed into time. Now the speed is in the case of upstream the speed is x minus 1 and the time is 10 hours. So x minus 1 into 10, and distance downstream is x plus 1 into 9. And according to the question, it is given that the same distance is travelled in the upstream and the downstream direction. So we can say x minus 1 into 10 is equal to x plus 1 into 9. And this is the equation that we have derived from the statement, and then we will solve the equation and we find x is equal to 90. The main concept is that in the case of upstream we have to subtract the speed, and in the case of downstream we have to add the speed of the boat and the stream or the river. That means as the boat is in the upstream direction, let the speed of boat in still water is x, so the speed of stream is 1. So the speed upstream will be x minus 1 and speed downstream will be x plus 1. Now let us take another example of the concept upstream and downstream. A motorboat whose speed in still water is 15 kilometers per hour, it goes 40 kilometers downstream and come back in total time of 6 hours, and we are supposed to find the speed of the stream. In these type of questions, when we are going upstream we subtract the speed, and when we are going downstream we add the speed. Now let the speed of stream equal to x kilometer per hour. Speed of boat is 15 kilometers per hour. So upstream speed will be 15 minus x kilometers per hour. Because when the boat is going upstream and the river is pushing the boat downwards, the resultant speed will be less than the original speed. So we will subtract x from 15 and it will become 15 minus x. Downstream speed is equal to 15 plus x kilometers per hour. Now we know that speed is equal to distance upon time and time is equal to distance upon speed. Now time upstream will be, distance is 40 kilometers and speed of our upstream is 15 minus x, and time for downstream will be 40 upon 15 plus x. Because in the downstream the speed is 15 plus x and in the upstream the speed is 15 minus x, and the total time upstream plus time downstream is equal to 6 hours. It is given in the question because the total time is 6 hours. That means 40 upon 15 minus x plus 40 upon 15 plus x is equal to 6. Now this is the equation, and now we will try to solve this equation. Let us take 40 as common. It will become 1 upon 15 minus x plus 1 upon 15 plus x is equal to 6. Or I can say, taking LCM, 15 minus x into 15 plus x is equal to 15 plus x minus plus 15 minus x is equal to 6 upon 40. I am taking the 40 to the right hand side. So here it was multiplication, so there it is division. So it will be 6 upon 40. Now on simplifying I will get 30 upon 15 square minus x square is equal to 6 upon 40. Because 15 minus x into 15 plus x is equal to 15 square minus x square, using the identity a square minus b square. On cross multiplying we will get 6 into 225 minus x square is equal to 30 into 40, or we can say 225 minus x square is equal to 30 into 40 upon 6. On simplifying I will get 200, or I can say minus x square is equal to 200 minus 225, it is equal to minus 25, x square is equal to 25. This implies x is equal to plus minus 5. Now the speed cannot be negative, so minus 5 is being ignored and the value of the speed will be x. That x will be 5 kilometers per hour. So we can say the speed of the stream is 5 kilometers per hour. So in this type of question I have seen that the resultant expression on solving the equation, I got a quadratic equation. So I have solved the quadratic equation and I have found two answers for x, that is plus 5 and minus 5. And as we know that the speed cannot be negative, so I have ignored the minus sign. So the speed of the stream will be x is equal to 5 kilometers per hour. This is how we can calculate the speed of stream when the speed of the boat is 15 kilometers per hour.